and cinematic style robbery has been reported from Chikkavansi village in Hangal taluk of Haveri district, where a gold shop owned by local resident Annappa Bhajantri was targeted by an 8-member masked gang. According to reports, the incident took place late at night when the miscreants arrived wearing monkey caps and gloves. The gang used a cutter machine to skillfully break open the shop's lock before entering the premises. Once they got inside, they stole approximately 300 grams of gold and 35 kilograms of silver that were stored inside the shop. In a dramatic turn of events, the robbers also allegedly took away a heavy iron locker measuring around 5 quintals, which had been used to secure the stored jewelry. The total value of the stolen property is estimated to be around 1.20 crore rupees. It is also reported that this is not the first time the shop has been targeted, as there had been 2 previous attempts of robbery at the same establishment. The entire incident has been captured on the shop's CCTV cameras. Soon after being informed, Haveri Hangal police visited the spot, conducted an inspection and have launched an investigation. Based on the CCTV footage, police have intensified their search operations to trace and identify the masked gang involved in the heist. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.